Hey folks, it's been a while that I made a video or that I've been on cam, and that's fine. So let me talk the shit that I wanted to talk in this video, and there's going to be a clause at the end of this video. And that's what this video is really about. So I'm trying to build a small platform built with Kuluru. So basically, it's going to be a place for mini a bunch of demo apps for you to get started quickly to build your AI apps in short span of time. Basically the integration that you need with all of the AI providers, authentication layer, payment layer, analytics layer, landing pages, and all the stuff that you really need in any of the application. So we got you covered in this. So maybe I'm talking too much, so let me show you like what I mean. I have added a bunch of demo apps as part of this application, so still there are a lot of things that I am adding to. So like just to give you a gist of how this is going to look like, so let me just go to this section. So for example, on the left side you can see these are like small demo apps that I've added, like chat AI, image AI, PDF AI, voice AI, audio AI, and a lot of this stuff. So that is going to be, so whatever you saw, like the photo Kisik, I'm going to add those two, and like a lot of premier stuff I'm going to add. And so let's try to test this thing. So now for example, just to get started with this chat AI, we need to sign in, and that's where authentication layer. So we got you covered. And also we have like credit based pay system. So now let's try to sign in with Google. Okay, fine. So I'm just choosing my account. Fine, we are in. So now let's go to this chat AI, and you can see now I am here in the chat. Now we can chat. So basically this has like canvas, multi-model, just you can choose this has a like web search, upload image. Normally you see this has become pretty much standard jargon to whatever application that we are building these days. So pretty much standard after ChatGPT revolution. So so this has everything. So web search, multi-model selection, uploading the images, and then basically all the stuff that you normally see in the standard chat providers of rendering images, links in markdown format, and all the stuff. So we got you covered. So this application is that. So you'll have this code base ready for you with all of the layers, and just you can add top on whatever you wanted to add. So this is one demo application. So now let's say so here now we logged in, so chat with PDF. So that's what we normally see. So what happens generally? So building vector database, embedding, chunking them, and then storing, and then whenever we are trying to chat with PDF, we just query that and try to pull a relevant similarity search, and then populate the results so that you get what you want from the like many pages of PDF. Okay, let's give a try. So now I'm just going to upload some PDF. Yeah, I have this like 0 to 1 Peter Thiel's book. Okay, let's wait. So this all like storing in S3 compatible storage like Cloudflare R2 storage. That is what I'm using, so which is cheaper, and it's no egress charges and all. And the once we have this PDF, we are going to do all of this random standard stuff of vectorizing, chunking, and storing in vector db and all. So now we have this. So you can just see the preview of this PDF that you have just uploaded, and then you can just go ahead and start chatting with this. So if I ask like what is this book about, yeah, you can just ask whatever the question that you wanted to know from this book, and then we will get the answer for you. So this is just like one you can see the book 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel is about that, and it is going to give you the gist of the summary of this book. So this is the another demo app, and same way we have this the audio AI. So let's start recording. Okay, hey, I'm just trying to test you and wanted to understand. So I'm trying to build Open Studio. It's what is its motto is basically an attempt to build an open source ecosystem of verticalized AI agents. I think that's enough for now. So let's like once so this is like integration with Standard Whisper and voice models 11 labs, who are like leaders in this sector. All of that integration that you need into your application, we got you covered, and we have added as part of this code base. And you can see this is the transcript that we got. And if this transcript is too big, so we have that recording was like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, something like that. So we see standard generating summary, so we just transcribe and all those things, get the summary, and then action items that you can take based upon the meeting summary, transcript, or whatever it can be. And this is one just showcase of that. And you can see here the credits. So we have like I said, credit based usage, paywall. So once the credits are done, so we need to recharge like we normally recharge our mobiles, like, yeah. And then once you recharge, and then you will get an access to the features that you can develop. So that the restriction that you wanted to add as a feature to your application, we have this as part of this code base. So let's try testing one more one. So this is text to speech. So basically you can just choose the standard voices that are available in 11 labs, and also you can clone your own voice and use that. And let's just give it a try. So I'm just copying this text here. So let me just copy this. In here you can just select whatever the voice that you want, the standard voices and all. And here I have my own voice. I clone my own voice. I was just doing bunch of stuff, and this is one of that. So we can just select this voice, and now let's try to generate the audio. And so the integration to 11 labs, and then getting the voice for you. Text into natural sounding speech using 11 labs advanced AI technology with customizable voices. Yeah, you can see that sounded like me. So though that's still not perfect, but you can have your own voices and try to get the voice that you need for it. And let's say I'm just going to change the voice back to the other person, and now we should see
convert text into natural sounding speech using 11 labs advanced AI technology with customizable voices.
Yeah, so basically the integration to 11 labs, and how to communicate, and how to get the audio, and the way to download and all. So that that piece, that niche part that you want and you wanted to use into your own application, that that is there. So this is like this. So these are like just a few bunch of like mini demo apps. So there are like bunch of other things, like generating your product strategy plans, like how just to simulate how it's going to look like on product on Twitter threads, and just to give you a shit posting strategies for your threads, Twitter threads, or something about your product and all that stuff. Like these are mini and micro things. And also like other things that you need. So for example, landing pages that you need just to as a kind of marketing to the app that you are wanted to publish or build or something like that. So this is like audio AI. And just let's see look at the thing. So this is how like we have like few templates, like 4 to 5 templates of the landing pages, which you can adjust to the context that you are trying to build. And this is like the another example of this thing. So this is like kind of a suite of mini micro apps, just to give you the gist of how this is going to look like. And you can just pluck the piece that you want and use it to your code base. So that's like that is this. Now what is the clause? So the clause is, I have two options here. Option 1 is add a paywall and try to target. We are a fam of like 4.4k subscribers on YouTube, though that's not much, but at the same time that's not nothing. Okay, so option 1 is target 150 plus or 200 buyouts of like, let's say $100 or something. I'm not fixed myself a number. You guys can just shoot that in the comments. So target that and try to achieve the target. So if we achieve the target, then I'm going full time on making build videos, and also building a community on Slack, and building micro mini SaaS, and then along with that Open Studio. Of course, that's the long-term vision of the Open Studio open source product development. Okay, that's the option 1. Option 2 is give it this access of this code base for free, which we always do. and also like that's my one of the core principle. I always wanted to do that, but it's not always possible. So but that I always try towards this direction. So what is the advantage that I'm going to get using option 1 or option 2? Option 1, so it is going to help me buy time. So the mini, micro and heavy build videos that we are going to uh, upload on Kuluru Vinith, it demands time. So if I choose option 1 and if we succeed at option 1, then I can spend a lot of time and flood Kuluru Vinith channel with a lot of videos. It can be like I said, small application, big applications, but the building videos will be just rolling on Kuluru Vinith channel. Now with the option 2, if we go with option 2, I have no problem. That's fine, as long as we are building, helping out someone to build something and enriching their knowledge, that's totally in my favor. But if I choose option 2, it's going to add a layer of friction to the build videos that are going to be released on Kuluru Vinith channel. So the frequency of the release might drastically go down, or there might not be any video anytime sooner. So that's the thing. So this is the choice, and my choice is option 1. I'm completely open to your opinion. So that's what this video is about. So shoot your thoughts and hit your thoughts in the comments. I really wanted to understand, like, am I talking shit, or like am I making some sense? So that is this video is about. So nothing, no fluff, and just wanted to understand and value your opinions and accordingly make a plan. Thank you.